Tammy Grant from Brand Elemental. I'm here today to show you how to install the Success Trainer Divi Child theme. The first thing you'll need to do is go to Appearance and Themes. Ensure that you have Divi installed. This is our parent theme. Select Add New. Then Upload Theme. Choose your file. Install. Activate. Now that your child theme is installed, search your links on the side here for the Success Trainer theme. Sometimes you'll find it here below or it will install up here. Once you find this, mouse over it and select Easy Demo Import. On this page, we already have all the components and plugins selected, so all you'll need to do is select Import Demo Content. Okay, now your sample content is installed. At this point, you'll have the option to select the Remove Demo Content, and that will remove all of this functionality from your child theme. And you can go to your website and begin editing to make this your own. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to support through our email, and we'll be happy to assist you.